Okay, so for this exercise, you need to make straight, diagonal, or horizontal, like vertical, diagonal, or horizontal, anything. You just have to make lines. So I'll start with yellow. You can start with any color. I'm just doing it because I like to make a rainbow out of it. Okay. Start from one edge. Make a line with different pressure. I'm increasing in some place, decreasing in other. Okay. You have to use the entire bristles of your brush. So when you start with the tip and then press down and lift it back again, and then press down again and lift it back again. No specific timing, just do it as it pleases you. Another color. Same thing again, but now you have to create a very thin line around, like in between these two lines. So what you have to do is, I'll take you closer. Okay, so you start here, but around this line. So you have a very thin, continuous line in between both these lines. You start here and you go like this without lifting the brush. This line will be made according to this, and then you can increase or decrease pressure however you like. More. Also, there is no hard rule that you don't have to lift the brush. It's just that make longer strokes, and however long you can, you make those, and then you can lift. So now I have this line, and I'll do the same with other colors as well. So it's taking a lot of time adjusting in different distances. Okay, so I think I have it now. It's not focusing. Whatever, we'll see. Now I'll take some orange. Same thing. I start here. Try to create a thin line in between these two. I think I need more color. And while you are doing this, vary the pressure. Like the line is thin here, thick here. It doesn't matter where you do it, but you have to do it. Now I'm taking a red. Colors like totally depend on you. Whatever you like is good. Don't go back in to correct the strokes. Like I made a broad one here. Do not go back and make it all smooth. and you have to fill the entire paper with this. You can do vertical lines one day, horizontal lines some other day, and diagonal lines, whatever. You can also repeat the same exercise in circles. So yes, that's it. I am not sure if I should continue to fill the page or just like I have explained enough and I should leave the video like that. But I think otherwise it will become a very long video, so I'll leave it here. Maybe I'll make one more line. I'm also getting tempted to do this. Okay, another kind of red because I want a smooth gradient in color. This is really good when you want to paint but you don't have anything specific that you want to paint, or you don't want to use your head as much. uh, it's very relaxing and it looks pretty as well. Also, it'll teach you a lot of brush control and negative painting. Again, please observe that it's not a uniform line. It's thick in some places and thinner in other places, so you have to do that. It's very important that you practice the pressure thing here. I can't stop. I'm sorry. The video is too long, but you can just stop it and practice on your own. I'm doing the same thing. So if you want to play it along, or I don't know, whatever. So this pressing down on the brush is very important, and then releasing the pressure also. Please be mindful of that. Otherwise, do what pleases you, use whatever color that pleases you, anything. Also take enough water in your brush so you can make the entire line and you don't have to keep going back to your palette or the water container. So have enough water in it. I just forgot what blue I used for this. Oh, okay, it's new. Good. I thought I forgot what blue I used and I went back in the same blue. It all looks the same when it's dark. So your focus should be on the white line and not what you are painting. So you got the point. I think I'll stop the video here and then fill the rest of it on my own.